Welcome back to the UPMC Children's Hospital Free Care Fund Christmas in July benefits show right here on PTL.
Earlier in the show, we told you the first part of the story of our Free Care Fund junior co-host Kyree Beachum's journey at Children's Hospital. But in the 7 months since we last talked with Kyree, she's had another setback. Here now is the rest of Kyree's story.
I'm doing pretty good.
When we first met 14-year-old Kyree Beachum of Elwood City last fall, she was cautiously optimistic that the worst was behind her. She'd had multiple organ transplants and battled through 9 rounds of rejection over the span of several years. But earlier this year, Kyree started to feel sick again.
I wasn't feeling really good. I wouldn't eat that much. I would only have like 1 meal a day, pretty much, or I wouldn't actually eat.
She was also tired and had no energy. She and her mom, Nan, knew something was up. A trip to UPMC Children's Hospital of Pittsburgh confirmed their suspicions.
Her transplanted colon wasn't working the way that we had hoped it would be.
After a few different treatments didn't offer any relief, her doctors decided it was time for another operation, this time to remove part of her colon. Kyree says that changed everything.
I've been doing pretty good. On April 13th, I had to get my colon removed, so I was in there for about 3 weeks.
Her appetite is back, and so is her energy.
I've been going to my friend's house to swim. I've been playing with my neighbors right down the hill from us. We go to their friends to swim a lot.
And earlier this month, Kyree even got to go on vacation, a trip to the beach with her brother Nico and her mom. As if Kyree's sheer will to survive after all she's been through isn't incredible enough, what's even more incredible is her kind heart and generous spirit.
Even through the ups and downs and the hills and valleys, really Kyree's demeanor has been one to try to make the most out of every situation and give back to other people, even when she's in the midst of all these things. She thinks about others first, and she's concerned about how her family, she's concerned about other kids, and she has that gift of being able to think outside of her own circumstance. I think she just genuinely understands that this situation that she's been living through and living in is an opportunity, not a curse.
An opportunity to learn, to experience things, to meet new people, and be an example to others. An opportunity she wouldn't have without the generous gift of organ donation.
She's a living example of just the amazing gift of how one donor can save so many lives.
As special as Kyree is, there are hundreds, if not thousands, of other kids just like her who have not only survived, but thrived, thanks to UPMC Children's Hospital and the Free Care Fund.
The Free Care Fund allows us to help kids in ways that we wouldn't be able to otherwise.
Can I get a hug?
As for Kyree, she calls everyone at Children's family and counts her blessings every day that her family has been right there with her every step of the way.
If you ever need a transplant, Children's Hospital is the best place to go.
What a great story, Heather.
Is there a dry eye in the house? I'm telling you, what a special young woman. And she really is incredible. Her mom, Nan, is just as incredible, giving and kind.
That's right. So Kyree's going to join us live coming up next when we head back to Children's Hospital Live. But first, we got to make sure you're keeping up your phone bank volunteers busy. There are 2 easy ways to donate to the Free Care Fund. You can call 412-692-8900 or go online at givetochildrens.org/telethon.
And we've been telling you about this really special opportunity you have. You can become a hero in healing by pledging to donate $20 a month. But of course, any donation amount is appreciated. And if you give right now, your donation will be doubled thanks to our match partner, ANSYS.
We'll be right back with the Children's Hospital Free Care Fund Christmas in July benefits show right here on PTL.